Breaking news coming in, and this is with regards to Operation Sindoor. CDS Chauhan has now revealed India's Operation Sindoor strategy. India chose the darkest hour for attack on the terror bases. CDS Chauhan has said, and I quote, India attacked terror headquarters between 1 to 1:30 a.m. CDS has said that the strikes were not done at dawn due to azan and civilian movement. Timings were chosen to foil the satellite detection. So these are some of the reasons that have been, or rather the strategy that's now been revealed by CDS Anil Chauhan at this given point. Do listen in to what exactly has been said by him before we proceed with the discussion on the same.
कि 1:30 बजे क्यों किया हमने 1 बजे? वो तो सबसे अंधेरा होता है, सबसे मुश्किल होगा सैटेलाइट इमेजरी लेना, उसकी फोटोग्राफ लेना, एविडेंस कलेक्ट करना। फिर भी हमने रात के 1 या 1:30 बजे किया। ऐसा क्यों था? ऐसा 2 कारणों से था। एक तो हमें अपनी क्षमताओं के, अपनी कैपेबिलिटीज़ के ऊपर भरोसा था कि रात में भी करेंगे तो रात में भी उसकी इमेजरी ले सकते हैं। और दूसरा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ ये थी कि हम लोग सिविलियन कैजुअलिटीज़ जो है अवॉइड करना चाहते थे। सबसे बेहतर समय होता 5:30-6 बजे का टाइम, जबकि उजाला होना शुरू हो जाता है। बट वो टाइम जो है पहली अजान या पहली नमाज का भी होता है। तो उस टाइम उसी भावलपुर में, मुरीदके में इस तरह का चहल पहल शुरू हो गई होती तो काफ़ी सारे सिविलियंस मारे जाते। हो सकता है वो टेररिज्म के साथ उनका कनेक्शन हो ना हो, तो हम लोग वो चीज़ अवॉइड करना चाहते थे कम्प्लीटली। इसीलिए जो समय जो है हमने 1 से 1:30 बजे का चुना।
Shivani Sharma joins me on the broadcast to, in fact, put this into further context. Shivani, a very good morning to you. You know what has been said by the CDS at this point. There are several layers to it. 2 most important highlights that it brings to notice is, number one, India's capabilities, defense capabilities at this given point, as well as the fact that Operation Sindoor was aiming, or rather targeting, terrorists. There was no civilians that were being targeted, and that was kept in mind throughout by our forces when planning and strategizing this very operation and then implementing it that way as well.
Yeah, definitely. What the CDS is mentioning is about the confidence that Indian armed forces have in themselves, that they can not only act in the middle of the night, but they can also capture the imagery that is very much important these days. You know, people have been asking for taboot in India also and around the world. So this time, not only the strategic planning about the attacks was done, but it was also planned that each and every attack will be pictured, it will be filmed, and the evidence will be collected. And the Indian Armed Forces were very much confident of that.